There's a lot of RVs that are built to be sold very successfully, and they're very good at that. But we wanted an RV that would be built to use. Our goal is to have a floor plan for the majority of people that we strongly feel is going to be one of the most practical, user, functional, friendly kind of campers out there, based on input from actual users like you, literally your input. Now, we're not necessarily going to have a floor plan for everybody. One of the things that I am adamant about is what we call the relentless pursuit of transparency. We want absolute clarity out there because you are potentially trusting us, and you deserve to know every aspect of the equation behind the thing that you are purchasing, and we wanted to do the very best we could to provide that for you. Our goal is to have a floor plan for the majority of people